Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am showing you how I made this cute little farmhouse wreath for spring. This wreath is very simple to make and inexpensive, and I made mine on the 8-inch wreath form from Dollar Tree. They come in a 2-pack. Now you can use the full-size wreath form if you would like, but it'll just take more twine. So you're going to need 1 wire wreath form. You're going to need some white Easter eggs or whatever color Easter eggs that you would like. And I picked up the eggs at Walmart, and they're the type that has the dye so that you can dye them. So just remove the dye packets. And so I used the white Easter eggs, 8-inch wire wreath form, some twine. You'll need your scissors, your wire cutters, some ribbon for a bow, and floral stem wire. And you will also need some flowers, and I picked up the lavender floral pick at Walmart. So first you're going to flip over your wreath form to the back side and tie your twine on. Just tie a knot, and then you're going to take your twine and wrap your wreath form. Just keep wrapping it tightly. Make sure you don't let it get loose. And I tried doing mine neatly around it, trying to keep the twine in line, but you can do it messy or however you would like. It's just whatever your style is, but I tried to keep mine straight and in line and made it nice and tight all the way around the wreath. And I picked up this twine at Walmart. It was around $3 in the craft section. And so just continue wrapping your twine all the way around your wreath, and you can use the twine from Dollar Tree or wherever you would like, but I just picked mine up at Walmart. So this is how it looks so far. So just try to push as you wrap it around, try to push it together so it's nice and full. This wreath would also be beautiful made on the 12-inch wire wreath form or the 14-inch wire wreath form. I just decided to use the 8-inch, but it would be so pretty on a bigger wreath too. You'll just have to use more twine, maybe a couple more floral picks and a few more eggs and maybe a larger bow. And this is the ribbon. It is a 1.5-inch width ribbon with wire, so I didn't go as wide a width ribbon. So I just let out a tail, and I'm making a loop, keeping it pinched tightly in my left hand, going to my other side, trying to make the loop the same size as my first loop, and I'm just going to go back and forth, trying to make the loops the same size on each side, keeping it pinched tightly in my left hand. Then I'm going to let out a tail, and you'll want to have some floral stem wire close by to wrap tightly around the center of your bow. I am using the 20 gauge floral stem wire, and you can pick it up at Dollar Tree, Walmart, Michael's, Hobby Lobby. So this is the 20 gauge floral stem wire. Just make sure you get the wire tight around the center of your bow. Leave your wires long, and then you'll want to go back and fluff your loops and trim the ends of your tails. And I just left mine cut at a slant for this wreath. So to attach my bow to my wreath, I just took the 2 little wires and wrapped them around the wreath form, went to the back and gave the wires a few twists, and you can either fold them down or cut them off. If you are using a larger wreath form, then you might want to use the 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire for a bow. And then just go back and fluff your loops. And then I just took my lavender floral pick and I just cut it into smaller pieces. And so be very careful when you're using your hot glue gun. I'm wearing some finger guards that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. So I just added some hot glue, and I'm just placing the lavender kind of under the bow and going to hold it for just a little bit until the glue kind of sets up and dries. So I added 2 on each side of the bow. So I just cut the lavender pick into pieces, and I'm just sliding it under the bow and just going to let it dry for a little bit. So 2 on the left, 2 on the right, and then I added 2 eggs on the left and 2 eggs on the right. So just be very careful when you're hot gluing your eggs on and your lavender, and just kind of hold it until it sets up and dries. The wreath looks very pretty without adding the eggs. I just decided to add the eggs for spring and Easter, but it looks beautiful with just the lavender and the bow and the twine. So it's up to you. I'm just giving you some ideas. So I added 2 eggs on the left and 2 eggs on the right, and they're very lightweight. So just let them dry. To hang the wreath up, I just cut a piece of twine and just made a loop and tied a knot and then hot glued it to the back of the wreath at the top and then let it dry. And so that's how I hung my wreath on my door. I think this wreath would be very cute in maybe a guest bathroom. I kind of like to decorate my bathrooms with little small wreaths, so I think this one's the perfect size for a guest bathroom. So in the comment section below, let me know what you think, and let me know if you would make this and add the eggs or leave the eggs off of the wreath. Thank you guys so much for watching and commenting and like and sharing. I really appreciate y'all. Y'all are just the sweetest, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Just click the subscribe button right below the video on the right. And if you want notifications for when I upload a tutorial, just click the bell. Thank you so much, guys. I hope y'all have a wonderful day.